Introducing the 2026 MINI Countryman, where adventure meets sophistication in a compact yet spacious package. Designed for those who crave the road less traveled and the city streets alike. Electric folding door mirrors enhance convenience and aerodynamics, while performance control offers dynamic handling and responsiveness for an exhilarating driving experience. Step inside to discover the MINI navigation system and enjoy the digital cockpit, providing intuitive controls and immersive connectivity for every journey. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge Mini today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 MINI Countryman. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.